Welcome to our journey through the enchanting villages of Sicily, Italy. Today, we'll be exploring the 12 most beautiful villages that showcase the rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and unique culture of this captivating island. Join us as we embark on this unforgettable adventure. Our first destination is the picturesque coastal village of Cefalù. With its medieval charm and stunning beaches, Cefalù is a must-visit for travelers seeking beauty and tranquility. Explore the narrow alleys adorned with vibrant flowers, and don't miss the iconic Cathedral of Cefalù, a masterpiece of Norman architecture. Next on our list is the enchanting town of Taormina. Perched high above the Ionian Sea, Taormina offers breathtaking views of Mount Etna and the surrounding coastline. Stroll through the historic center, where ancient Greek and Roman ruins blend seamlessly with medieval architecture. Be sure to visit the famous Greek theater, which hosts concerts and performances against a backdrop of unparalleled beauty. Our journey continues to the charming village of Castelbuono, nestled in the Madonie Mountains. Known for its medieval streets and culinary delights, Castelbuono offers a true taste of Sicilian culture. Explore the narrow alleys lined with stone houses, and don't miss the imposing Ventimiglia Castle, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Our next destination is the Baroque masterpiece of Ragusa. Located in the southeastern corner of Sicily, Ragusa is a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its stunning architecture and rich history. Wander through the labyrinthine streets of the old town, where every corner reveals a new marvel of Baroque beauty. Be sure to visit the Duomo di San Giorgio, a stunning cathedral with a facade that will leave you speechless. Our journey now takes us to the medieval village of Immerse, perched atop a hill overlooking the Tyrrhenian Sea. Steeped in history and charm, Immerse boasts ancient walls, cobblestone streets, and breathtaking views. Explore the medieval churches and fortresses, and be sure to sample the famous pastries that the village is known for. Next on our list is the picturesque town of Modica, famous for its stunning Baroque architecture and delicious chocolate. Wander through the narrow streets lined with ornate palaces and churches, and be sure to visit one of the many chocolate shops where you can sample the town's famous sweet treats. Our journey now takes us to the charming village of Savoca, nestled in the hills above the Ionian Sea. With its medieval charm and rich history, Savoca is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Explore the ancient churches and picturesque piazzas, and be sure to visit the Barvitelli, where scenes from The Godfather were filmed, generated in cinematic male voice. Next on our list is the Baroque beauty of Sicily, located in the Val di Noto region of Sicily. With its stunning architecture and scenic surroundings, Sicily is a paradise for lovers of history and culture. Explore the winding streets lined with elegant palaces and churches, and be sure to visit the majestic Palazzo Beneventano, which dominates the town's skyline. Our journey now takes us to the charming village of Petralia Soprana, perched high in the Madonie Mountains. With its medieval streets and stunning views, Petralia Soprana offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Explore the ancient churches and stone houses, and be sure to take a leisurely stroll through the picturesque countryside. Next on our list is the picturesque fishing village of Marzamemi, located on the southeastern coast of Sicily. With its colorful harbor and historic buildings, Marzamemi is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. Wander through the cobblestone streets lined with cafes and shops, and be sure to sample the fresh seafood for which the village is famous. Our journey now takes us to the medieval village of Castelmola, perched high above Taormina. With its ancient castle and breathtaking views, Castelmola offers a glimpse into Sicily's storied past. Explore the narrow streets lined with quaint shops and cafes, and be sure to visit the medieval fortress, which offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Our final destination is the coastal village of Aci Castello, famous for its historic castle and stunning coastline. Explore the ancient streets lined with colorful houses, and be sure to visit the imposing Norman castle, which dates back to the 11th century. Relax on the picturesque beaches and soak in the beauty of this charming village by the sea. As our journey comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired to explore the beauty of Sicily's most enchanting villages. From the coastal charm of Cefalù to the medieval splendor of Aci Castello, Sicily offers a wealth of treasures waiting to be discovered. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of the world's most beautiful destinations. Grazie e arrivederci. Generated in cinematic male voice.